guys, so today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. Today's video is going to go up late, and I know that for a fact because I was supposed to post it 56 minutes ago, and now is when I'm filming it. So I'm so sorry. I told you guys May was gonna be cray. I told you guys I'm gonna have wild uploads for the rest of May. Just bear with me. Forgive me, I love you. Okay, so today's video is gonna be my Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm so excited. But I'm also very tired, so I'm gonna drink my coffee. Okay, so if you're new here, I like to try on the products as I go. So I always open the box first just to see what's inside so I know more or less what I should be putting on my face. So this is what today's Boxycharm looks like. Oh, my card is bent. The theme is Boxy Bash. Am I washed out? The sun is so bright right now, it's insane. Okay, so the first product in the box is this guy, and I'm actually not gonna be trying this out today because I've used it several times, and I already know how I feel about it, but this is the CoverFX Blurring Primer, and I love CoverFX. It's actually one of my favorite brands. I feel like they rarely disappoint me, and this is a great primer, but I feel like for me, it's not my favorite. It is one of those pore-filling primers. It's not as bad as Benefit Professional. I know that's a huge favorite for everyone, but I don't like that primer at all. It's not that silicone-y, but it is one of those pore fillers, and I don't know, I've used it a few times and I don't find that it's anything special just because I like very dewy, illuminating primers because my skin is so dry. But maybe if you have like normal skin or oily skin, you might like this. CoverFX is amazing, so I think it's great that we got it in the box. And this retails for $38, okay? That's more than the box, so good stuff. All right, so the next thing in the box is this brush. Ah! I feel like I am falling asleep sitting on this chair. Oh man, this video is not gonna be entertaining, I'm sorry. Who is this from? Have you ever heard of the term sleepy drunk? Like when you're so sleepy or you feel drunk? Yeah, that's me. So this is from the brand Aesthetica, and it is their P12 face brush. I've never heard of this brand before, but we are going to apply some bronzer and blush with this brush because I do have highlight on already, I just don't have those other things. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer. I like that it's kind of rounded at the top, but it's not very pointy. I have a lot of brushes that look like this, but they're a lot pointier, and I feel like they contour you a little bit too harshly. It's kind of weird, but I like the shape of this one. It contours and it bronzes at the same time. I wish I knew how to use my right hand for things, because I feel like all the way over here with my left hand, but if I just knew how to use this hand, that would be great. All of a sudden I feel alive. Now that I have this bronzer on. There's something about bronzer, man. It just makes me feel alive. Okay, so I also feel like this would be a nice blush brush. So I'm gonna dip it into the da-da-da. You guessed it, toasted cinnamon. I usually like fluffier brushes. Like this is pretty dense for blush. At least for me, because I like a very light wash of blush. If you like to pack on the blush, then this brush would be perfect. But I mean, it's not packing it on too much. But if it was a very pigmented blush, like I wouldn't put it on with this. But like I said, if you like a blush, you will like it this brush. I'm out of it this morning, excuse me. Okay, so I actually like this brush more than I thought I would. I don't know why I was misjudging it. That was so mean of me, I don't know. But this is a full-size brush, obviously. And that brush retails for $27. All right, so there are more brushes in the box. And they're also from the brand Aesthetica. Yes, this is the 3-piece eye trio, and this retails for $45. But I mean, you get 3 brushes. An angled brush like this. It's a little bit fatter than I'm used to. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. This is like a pretty thick, large angle brush. I usually like thin, sharp ones, but we'll see. And then there's this kind of liner brush that looks more of like that painting brush. This is also pretty thick. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. And then you get like one of these like spoolie type of brushes. I love brushes like this. I use them all the time. These two concern me, but we'll see. Because the next thing in the box, I'm a little bit worried about, because every time I drink coffee before putting on eyeliner, it never comes out good. But the next thing in the box is honestly the cutest little freaking eyeliner thing I've ever seen in my life. This is from the brand Pretty Vulgar. They sell this brand at Sephora. I did like a whole first impressions on this brand like months ago. But this is the ink gel eyeliner, and it is called Blacklist. But look how cute. It's like an old school ink like back in the day, there's a little feather. I'm obsessed. This is a full-size product, obviously. And listen, everything is pretty much full-size always in Boxycharm. I don't know why I say that. I don't know. It's like habit. But this retails for $24, and we are gonna try it out right now. I thought it was gonna be like inky because it's called the Ink Gel Liner, but it's also called Gel Eyeliner, so I don't know why I thought it was gonna be ink. So I'm gonna bring you in closer and we're gonna test out those brushes and that liner. But I'm nervous. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to concentrate looking into this mirror. That's gonna be a fat line. I'm gonna try this one. I kind of feel like this eyeliner needs Duraline from Inglot, or maybe I'm just so used to the Inglot gel liner that's like liquidy and very, very creamy. Actually, no. It's going on pretty creamy. This brush isn't as bad as I thought. So far. I don't know what it's gonna look like when I attempt to do a wing with this, but we shall see. Okay, but stop talking to me, guys. I need to concentrate. If I squish it. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye with this brush. You're not gonna be able to see me do it on this eye, and I can't put the table over here because the table doesn't fit. I'm just gonna do that really quickly and then I'll just let you know how it goes. Do you guys have any idea what just happened to me? Before I go into the brush and eyeliner situation. So I'm looking at this Boxy Bash thing, right? And I'm noticing that there are 5 products here, but I've only unboxed 1, 2, 3, and then this is the 4th. But I see here that something says PUR Sculptor Palette. I didn't know this was sitting under here, which is a major bummer because Sculptor Palette, this is probably a face palette. I already put on bronzer and I had no idea this was gonna be in the box. I haven't really been on social media much these past couple weeks, so I didn't even know this was in the box. I am a mess. So obviously I'm just gonna open it up really quick right here. Ooh, this is beautiful. Well, I mean, for like eyeshadows for me. This would be like a really nice eyeshadow palette. Before I use that, let me tell you about the eyeliner. I think the eyeliner is good. At first, when I was putting the brush in, I was like, oh, this is kind of dry. But as I was applying it, it was really matte and really black, and I really liked it. So the eyeliner was good. The brushes surprised me. I thought I was going to hate them, and I didn't hate them. Would I grab these before other brushes? Absolutely not. I have my little Anastasia angled brush that I love for gel eyeliner. It's my favorite. It's the number 15 brush. Nothing beats it. But can you use this? Absolutely. Like, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so now let's check out this PUR palette. I'm gonna try to highlight with Originator, even though I already have highlight on. Let's see, this looks just a little bit glittery, but wow, it doesn't look glittery on the face. It just looks like very metallic. That's insane. Okay, so just because, I'm gonna take Inventor, because that one looks a little bit lighter than Founder. I'm gonna take this on a fluffy brush. There is some kick up, but I never care about kick up. As long as they perform well on the eyes, I do not care. I mean, this isn't eyeshadow, but I'm just saying. It's all like the same thing, isn't it? This actually applies really softly. So even though it looks really dark in the pan, it's actually coming off a little bit lighter on the skin. So maybe those of you who think you can't contour with this, maybe you can. I really like that. And now the last thing in the box is this guy. This is a Beauty Creations liquid lip gloss. Liquid lip gloss. So is it like glossy? Oh, no, wait, it says matte lip gloss. Beauty Creations matte liquid lip gloss. That's not a weird name at all. I think this is like a collab product they did with Boxycharm because Boxycharm's name is on it. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. This one is called Kiss Me. Kiss Me. Oh my god. haven't heard that song in so long. That just brought back so many memories. I don't know how I feel yet. I'm gonna wait for it to dry down completely because it's a formula that dries very, very fast. So right now it's like in a very sticky stage. It's dry, like, but do you see what this? It's in a very sticky stage at the moment. So I'm gonna let it like completely dry. I have a feeling this is gonna be a bitch to take off. This is gonna be one of those formulas that at first feels really sticky. It's gonna need like a whole 5 minutes to dry, but once it dries, it's like not going anywhere. You know what I mean? See, like it's starting to get less sticky, but like, ay mamá, esto no se quita. Ya tú sabes, let's see. Okay, so it did come off a little bit here, but that's like inside of my mouth. And honestly, it's not transferring. This is some heavy duty shiz right here. This is heavy duty, dude. Heavy duty, dude. That is a full-size product and that retails for $10. That's not even expensive. That's amazing. That completes this video, guys. Those were all the products I got in this month's Boxycharm. Okay, so I'm adding everything together. 24 plus. Wow, the overall value this month was $174. I need to do my hair. I look crazy. $174, that's expensive, okay? And you only pay like $21 for the box, which is awesome. I'm gonna have the Boxycharm website down below like I always do. But that completes this video, guys. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. What? I've never heard of this brand. This brand? This mirror is dirty. Ooh, you can't even see my face. My hair is so poofy today. The humidity outside is like worse than ever. It's the humidity. Where's that from? Where's that from? No, I need a concentration song, not a song that's gonna make me cry and ruin my eyeliner. That's okay. Ow, my hair keeps getting caught in this